Hey guys, it is November 14th, Saturday, and I am just finished up editing, well, light editing in the title and, Tariq, not so cool. Just the title in tonight's video. But you guys will see that before you see this. Anywho, I was talking about the chicken fajitas. So I am cooking up chicken fajitas for dinner.
What they're cooking?
Fajitas.
What?
Fajitas. Be careful.
What is
Chicken. Chicken and tortillas and veggies. And some rice here. And I went again with the Zatarain's parboiled rice. That light is on, it's dull. But, yeah. The kids asked for rice earlier, so I told them they had to wait until dinner. Ooh, sorry about that fog, but, yeah. There we go. Cook it up so that I can get these kids fed. It is late because they got up late today. We just had a late day. Okay, put it in the trash. And they had a late lunch. It was after 4 when they ate lunch. So, and it's only 7. It's only a little bit after 7 now. So, I'm gonna get them fed and settle down and hopefully in the bed by 10:30, if at all possible. So I know when we have a late day, they tend to stay up late. They did last night, but they all slept in and through the night, so that's what we like. Anywho, I don't know, I think I probably put about 6 chicken breasts marinated in lots of different spices. See if I can pull up one. I know black pepper was one. You can see that. This backyard brick oven, McCormick's. Some, it says black pepper, some garlic salt, a little bit of olive oil and seasoning salt, and then I put it in the refrigerator for a little bit just to let it get all coated and marinated, and pulled it out, put it in here, and then I cut it up as it started to cook down. And then I just hit it up with a little secret secret sauce just for a little extra marinade.
Mom,
yes.
Can I eat some applesauce in there? I didn't eat the apple.
But you had an apple. You actually had 2 apples. Are you going to eat all of this? Are you going to eat applesauce?
Yeah.
I was actually going to give you guys applesauce with your dinner, but you ate apples. So if you're going to eat the applesauce, I will give you applesauce with your dinner.
I don't eat the applesauce.
Not inside your dinner, with your dinner.
I want it with my dinner.
Alright. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy. What did you say?
Thumbs up, subscribe.
Thumbs up, subscribe. Good job. Good job, son. Good job. Alright, guys. See you
tomorrow.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Smells good, huh?
Yeah.